Brigadier Gininda?
I have spoken to him and I have met him, my lord.
Ophethe ke kuyona ke le unit nakuyena ke ongumseshi ke ophambili kuleli cala uBrigadier Gininda ngiyamazi ngikhulumile naye sengike ngahlangana futhi naye.
Can you tell the court in your own words what was the nature of the relationship between the SWAT unit of Ekurhuleni Metro and the cold case unit?
The relationship between the cold case unit and SWAT unit was whenever there was high profile escorts or arrests to be affected, the cold case unit would contact the Ekurhuleni Metro management and
ubudlelwane ke phakathi kwale cold case unit yamaphoyisa kanye ke neSWAT ke leye Ekurhuleni Metro Police bekuthi ke uma kunamacala ke abizwa ngokuthi ke a high profile ke la kunama escort khona ke bebexhumana ke ne management yeSWAT nala futhi kufanele kuyoboshwa khona.
And we would assist in the protection of the members, my lord.
Thina ke okwethu besilekelela ke noma besiza ke ekuvikeleni amalunga.
Which members?
The members from the cold case unit.
Amalunga ke ayo iunit leyo ke yamaphoyisa abizwa ngokuthi i-cold case.
Yes. And what would the process be? Would they contact you or would there be direct contact with your members?
At first, when the investigation started on this high profile case,
Eqaleni ke ufuna ukwazi kumshushisi bekuxhunyana kanjani ke bebexhumana namalungu ke uqobo noma bexhumana nani eqaleni uma ke uphenyo loqala kuleli cala leli.
there was communication with higher management which filtered down to myself.
Bekuxhunyanwa ke nalabo ke abekuyisigungu esiphezulu ke lokho bekufaka nami ke.
Thereafter, with the nature of the case and of short notice of follow-up of investigations, the member Buthelezi would be contacted and he would inform me concerning the operation.
Ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ke futhi ke nanjengoba beqhubeka ke nokuphenya ke nokuthi ngesinye isikhathi kubone ke ukuthi ke ukuxhumana lokhu kuchuphileke noma yinto eyenzwa ngaleso sikhathi bekuxhunyana naye ke uButhelezi abe setshela mina.
You've just referred to this high-profile case. Which case are you referring to?
Senzo Meyiwa.
The witness is asking me to assist him.
Senzo Meyiwa.
Okay.
Meyiwa case.
Umshushisi ufuna ukwazi ke ukuthi uma uthi le cala eli high profile ke ilipho icala okhuluma ngalo ukhuluma ukuthi ke icala leli kaSenzo Meyiwa.
And which of your members were involved in assistance in this matter?
It will be Buthelezi, Mapumulo, Munareng, Jonathan, Wendell Jonathan, and Yul Lessering, my lord.
Yul Lessering, uJonathan, uMaphumulo, uButhelezi noMunareng. Iwona ke amalunga lawo ke abe ngakoluthi ihlangothi ekubuyibona babelekelela.
And what type of services were they rendering in this matter?
They were rendering close protection and escorting.
Bona ke okwabo kwakuvikela kanye futhi nokuphelezela ke lokho kubizwa ngokuthi phecelezi ke i-escort.
Do you remember any specific dates on which such services were rendered?
No, my lord.
Akukho ke amalanga noma izinsuku ezithize engikhumbula ngithi ngosuku oluthize noma usuku oluthize.
Was there any formal agreement in place between Ekurhuleni Metro and the cold case unit regarding the services that you've referred to?
No, my lord.
Akukho ke la ungathi kwakunesivumelano khona-ke ongabiza ukuthi kwakuyisivumelano-ke esiformal phakathi kwe-cold case unit kanye ne-Ekurhuleni Metro Police mayela-ke nalokho esikushilo.
Thank you, my lord, that is all.
Yes, Mr. Mngomezulu.
Thank you, my lord. Sir, in this unit, SWAT unit, is there any specific number of members in that unit? Specific number of officials in that unit?
Yes, my lord.
Yebo kukhona-ke inamba-ke ethize yamalunga kuleyo unit leyo iyi-SWAT.
How many?
Plus minus 20, my lord.
Ngathi-ke singaba u-20 noma singaba ngaphezulu noma ngaphansi kodwa ke nje lapha ku-20.
How are they reporting at work? The nature of their shifts?
One shift reported to an inspector and one shift reported to myself, my lord.
Kune-shift-ke ababe-reporta ku-inspector kube kune-shift-ke e-reporta kumina.
At what times to what time do they report?
Because we were SWAT unit, we worked very flexible hours, my lord.
Ngoba-ke ukuthi-ke sasile unit-ke eyi-SWAT bese angeke uthi-ke besinekhathi-ke kodwa ngakubiza ngokuthi-ke ama-hours ethu-ke be-flexible.
To each member of the SWAT during the course and scope of his employment possesses a pocketbook.
During the time of pocketbooks, that was when the pandemic actually hit us.
Ufisa ukwazi kumele ukuthi-ke ngaba ilunga nelunga-ke beba ne-pocketbook yini ngesikhathi-ke sama-pocketbooks ilesikhathi-ke la eseshaywa khona-ke i-pandemic.
So due to that, the procurement department did not purchase any pocketbooks from the service provider.
Ngenxa yokuthi ngaleso sikhathi leso-ke laba-ke ekuyibona-ke abafaka-ke ama-order ukuthi kuthengeke incwadi abakwenzaka-ke lokho ukuthi bafake ama-order ukuthi siwathole.
Failure to purchase such that, did that constitute a negative effect in the carrying on of their normal duties?
As a court business, what would be the relevance of that question?
Like as we speak now, there's no reference that it can be drawn from the logbooks because they were not available at that time. Do you understand? From 2020 to 2022, according to your evidence, there were no logbooks. Is that what you say?
My lord, that's not my evidence.
Sibona-ke ubufakazi bami lokho ukuthi kusukela ngo-2020 kwashaya 2022 ama-logbook ayengekho.
2020, that's when COVID started.
My lord, I was asked about pocketbooks.
Pocketbooks, yes.
Yes, it relates to pocketbooks. Why each member did not have a pocketbook? In
My
this
lord.
case, a member, when he's giving evidence, cannot make a reference to the event that took place on a particular day. That's what I'm talking about.
My lord, unfortunately, I can't give evidence on the procurement.
Ngeshwa-ke ukuthi-ke ufakazi nofakazi-ke lana onikeza ngobufakazi-ke akakwazi ukuthi-ke alethe-ke into ewubufakazi noma etshengisayo ukuthi lokho ngikhulumana ngako nabo ubhalo lana angikwazi-ke ukukhulumela laba ekuyibona abathengayo noma bafaka ama-order i-procurement.
How many vehicles were used for that unit, for that specific unit? If there is a specific number of cars that were designated for the SWAT unit, how many cars were?
My lord, what I can recall, there was only 3 cars, which I can recall.
Engikhumbulayo-ke mina ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi iy'moto ezayikhona-ke zisetshenziswa yiyona-ke i-SWAT kwakuyiy'moto ey'ntathu.
Can you maybe assist with their registration numbers?
Unfortunately, no, my lord.
Ngeshwa-ke ukuthi nginikeze ngama-registration number angeke ngikwazi ngikhona ukwenza lokho.
Why not? You are coming to testify for the SWAT unit. and there were cars that were used. You mentioned the names of the members, Jonathan, Buthelezi, Mapumulo. But why can't we finish the court with the registration numbers of those motor vehicles?
Because, my lord, I do not know all the registration numbers of my head.
Ngoba ke angwazi wonke ama registration number emoto.
Can you recall their make, the make of a particular motor vehicle?
No, my lord.
Ukuthi ke imoto kanjani noma yipi inhlobo yemoto angikhumbuli.
They, in other words, even if there's evidence that they were using golf, you cannot tell the court that they were using a golf during the...
No, my lord, because I wasn't present for the operations.
Ukuthi ke noma ungathi ke kunobufakazi ukuthi babesebenzisa ama golf angeke ngiqinisekise lokho ngoba ngesikhathi ke sayi operation ngangingekho.
So as a superintendent in that particular unit, from 2020 up to 2022, other than this high-profile case of Senzo Meyiwa, are there any high-profile matters that you have assisted with?
Yes, my lord.
Yebo ke kusuka ngayo 2020 kushaya 2022 akhona ke namanye amacala ke high profile esilekelele kuwona ke.
Can you give me example of one of those profile matters?
The escorting of Adv Mngomezulu.
Escort noma ke ukuphelezela kwakhe Adv Mngomezulu.
From which year to which year?
It was from when I started, from 2020, which I can recall, my lord, but I know they were doing it prior to when I started on the unit.
Ngoqala kwami ke kuyona ke iunity ngo2020 ngiyazi ke nokuthi futhi ke babekwenza lokho nangaphambi kokuthi ngiqale ke leyo unit.
Thank you, my lord.
Thank you, Mr. Nisi.
Yeah, approach your case number.
Oh,
Thank you, my lord, for your indulgence. Okay, the last question. In terms of jurisdiction, is your jurisdiction limited?
No, my lord.
Asiphoqelekile ukuthi sisebenze nje endaweni ethize.
Yeah. All right. The question about the disbanding of the unit. Do you know the reason why it was disbanded?
No, my lord.
Ukuthi ke kungani iunit lena ke ingazange iqhubeke angisazi isizathu.
Thank you, my lord.
yes, Mr. Nisi.
Please the court, my lord, I've got no question for the witness.
Mr.
Thank you, my lord. Thank you, my lord. I have no questions. to this
Mnyeke,
witness.
Mr.
My lord, I have no questions for this witness.
Okay. Sorry, just one question. Do you know a constable or a sergeant called Nenawe?
No, my lord.
Never heard of him.
No.
They said sometime he was stationed at Silverton police station. He assaulted accused number 1.
My lord, I'm from Ikuruleni, so I don't know many people from Pretoria.
Okay, just
Abantu
testing.
basePretoria ke ngibazi mina ngisebenza ke ekololeni nawe lombuzo ngayo kuthiwa uyena washaya umsoko oqala angimazi.
Okay, thank you, sir. A surprise, Mr. Ramsey, please.
I've never heard of the name Nawe.
Ask accused number 1. Go and ask him.
Namani.
Namani. I hear things when I'm seated here.
No, I do hear as well. But Namani is something you might not.
Yeah. But you can see it's not guesswork. Sir, Maloi, any other witness?
The court, please, my lord, the state calls the next witness, Brigadier Bongani Nicholas Gininda.
Brigadier Bongani Nicholas Gininda.
Yes, this witness is going to